My name is John Murray. I'm a farmer here in Ballinderry and Carrick-on-Suir. I'm a member of the Carrick-on-Suir Grass10 Grazing Course. I'm measuring grass using the new Pasture Base app. This year the group set a target to grow 14 tonnes dry matter per hectare. Turned out cows when they were calving. I think the first date was the 28th of January. They were out as they calved day and night without silage. This year our spring budget showed us that we opened with a high average farm cover, so we were able to feed just 2 kilos of nut per cow and eliminate silage. This year to date we've grown 14.5 tonnes grass. I've achieved 8 grazings and 1 silage cut on average across the farm. Grass measuring on a yearly basis lets me know how much grass grew in each paddock and allows me to pick out certain paddocks for reseeding. We reseeded 15% of the farm this year using a monoculture of aborigine. Our autumn budget enabled us to build a supply of grass to keep cows out for longer, but also carrying over enough grass to set up the farm for spring of 2020. Up until the 1st of November, we only fed 211 kilos of meal per cow, which has drastically reduced the cost of production on this farm. The main focus for me on the grazing course was to keep quality grass ahead of the cows and to maximise protein content as a result. I back calculate my cows' intakes to know exactly how much grass was in the paddock and to keep pre-grazing yields at 1400 during the mid-season. This to me is worth over 2 cents a litre all year round without any extra cost. I would like to continue budgeting grass and discussing with other farmers, and I would recommend the grazing course for other farmers who want to start grass budgeting.